Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. Discover the Baguio Christmas. Hey, I'm gonna do a voiceover here because the background, there's a lot of music. We might get copyrighted, so I'm just dubbing this. Wow, look at those plants. Oh, fishes. Oh no, fishes. Rue will like this. Fishes. We are here in Burnham Park. Look at those fishes. Wow, they're so big. Oh, look at that. I don't know what kind of fish are these. So, ooh, what's that? Waterfalls. Baby waterfalls. Okay, these plants, flowers. Wow, it's a pine tree. Reindeer made of pine tree. Whoever thought of that is a genius. Okay, we're dubbing this. Wow, look at that. Oh no, fishes again. Cute, scary looking fishes. So we're here, Burnham Park again. I'm dubbing this because we might get copyrighted with the music in the background, so I'm just talking. Oh, look at that. Wow. So I'm gonna bring Rue and my family here during night time so we can make videos and they can see the lights here at night. Oh, that's who's that person? Who is that person? Okay, that's me. I'm gonna be talking here. Okay, I'm talking. I don't even know what I'm talking here, what I'm saying. But we're dubbing this because we might get copyrighted. Okay, I'm walking here. I'm walking. Ooh, it's a jeepney food truck. Filipino jeepney, old Filipino jeepney. Look at that. Ooh. No, yes, there. Okay. Okay, I'm walking here again. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Wow, it's a cute looking scary train. Scary train. I'm just joking. Rue will like to ride this. We will bring him here tonight. Ooh, a carousel. Okay, I think Rue will like this also. So we're bringing here my family. Discover Rue. We're dubbing this. I'm just talking. Okay? This is in Burnham Park. Every Christmas they set all of this up for people, tourists to come. Oh no, it's a scary looking swan. Swan boats. Oh, that's the jeep. That's the jeep. Okay, wow, what's this? Drive-by taco truck. Ooh, nice. El Patron. It's a trailer. Okay, wow. Ooh, what's this? Have a fantastic day. Another food truck in Burnham. Another food truck again. Okay, I'm walking again with my new Adidas Bounce shoes to Orchidarium, Ibaloy Park. Wow. Carousel, 110 pesos. Ocean Train, 110 pesos. Rocket plane, 90 pesos. Bump car, 120 pesos. So, I think Ru will like the bump car. We'll bring him here tonight. What that? We're still, it's very early here, so most of the stores and games are still closed. Who's that person again? That person looks familiar. Okay, he's talking again. Anyways, thank you for watching. Discover. More blessings to all of us. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you.